Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is the best foods to eat for a flat stomach. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm eating today, and I'm starting it off with a smoothie. Right now it's noon, so I'm having my first food for the day at noon, which is normal for me. Fast throughout the morning, just drink plenty of water. I did a workout about an hour ago, and now I'm ready to break my fast for the day. So, this smoothie, I'm going to show you what's in this thing. I'm going to tell you the best foods to eat for a flat stomach are going to be foods that are high in water and fiber. So you're going to see some examples of that with what I'm eating today, but if the food has water or fiber in it, it's really good. So this smoothie here is going to be 2 cups of frozen mangoes. This is a really good combination. Try this one out. Let me know what you think. I have 3 bananas. These are just ripe bananas. Here I have a cucumber and a few sticks of celery that I chopped up. This is sort of like a greens and fruit smoothie. And then I have 3 medjool dates. And finally I have 2 cups of coconut water. So we're going to blend this up. And here we are, nice big smoothie. This is a great way to start it off. Not only does it taste good, but it is hydrating and healthy as well. Get some greens in there, you got your fruits, and I'm gonna take my time with this. I wouldn't recommend just trying to guzzle this. I'd take your time eating something like this. I'll get back to work on my computer while I eat this. And then I'm gonna be back, stay tuned here, because I'm gonna show you what else I'm having today as well.
Okay, next up at 2 p.m. I had some pineapple and mangoes. I had a little bit of leftover pineapple and mangoes I needed to eat, so had that. And then at 3 p.m. I made this oatmeal. This had 1.5 servings of organic rolled oats. It had dried cherries, pecans, cacao powder, cinnamon, had apple, blueberries, and almond milk. So a really good combination that I like to do with my oatmeal. Then at 7 p.m. I had dinner. I started with a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, bell pepper, carrots. And then just after that, I had a large bowl of homemade vegetable soup with a couple slices of whole grain bread with some peanut butter on top. Then for dessert, I had prunes and some of these baked chips. And that was it. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.